Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Pippin coming with another unboxing, and this is something I ordered off of Amazon. This is the PS3 Bluetooth version 2.0 official headset. Okay, so I have my receipt right there, and then in the box we have some packaging stuff, and then the headset features are it's compatible with most Bluetooth enabled mobile phones. It's got high quality mode, dual microphone design, exclusive headset status indicator, screen and pairing with the PS3 system, and headset functions as a desktop microphone when plugged into the charging cradle. So it's going to open it now. And I believe I got this for like $41 on Amazon.com. And here is the instruction manual. Don't need that, so. And here in the box we have the cradle. Doesn't really seem all that sturdy, but I guess it is. And other things we have are the earpiece that goes on your ear, and then we have the USB cable, which is not very long, so I'll be using a different one. And then we have the headset itself, and on the headset you have a mic mute button, power button, the earpiece, volume up and down, and then I think this button is to answer a phone call if you have it paired to your phone or something. And then on this side you have a reset button. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this headset. So, and then there's it with the earpiece on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the official PS3 Bluetooth version 2.0. This is Pippin. Please comment, thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.